Welcome everyone to Lundberg Family Farms. My name is Ashley and I'll be your tour guide.
Hi, Ashley!
We're excited you've joined us today for our tour of the snacks facility. As we move through the facility, I'll be talking about our sustainability practices.
How long have you worked at Lundberg?
I've been at Lundberg 4 years. Things change and people come and go, like with any job, but we're very much an extended family here. So before we start, please make sure your hair nets and beard nets are on. These are an important part of our food safety protocol since we're exploring areas where our products are made. Welcome to our snacks facility. This is where we create our rice cakes and package them for distribution.
It's kind of dark in here. Why is that?
If you look up, certain parts of the facility use motion-activated lighting.
I saw solar panels on the way in. Is that what's powering the building?
That's right. Our largest solar array is on the roof of this building. It provides 45% of the power needed in this facility. We built the facility with energy efficiency in mind. Here, we are in the hydration room, where we soak the rice to rehydrate it after storage. Rice is placed into the mixing tanks, which are then filled with water. Water is one of our most precious resources. We closely monitor our water usage to avoid wasting it. This is our popping room. In here, there are more than 200 popping machines. Hydraulic and pneumatic pressure is used to shape and compact each rice cake. It's the right amount of pressure, time, and heat that creates the perfect rice cake. Welcome back to the production lines where we package rice cakes. One line can produce up to 900 cases per shift. Our energy submeters help us track energy use per case so we can increase operational equipment effectiveness. It's part of our commitment to resource efficiency. This is where we store different varieties of rice that have been dehydrated. The rice is USDA organic certified and non-GMO project verified. Our farmers strive to sustain those fields for future generations to use. This is our resource recovery area. This is where we recycle our hair nets and beard nets. We recycle almost everything here. Our overall waste diversion rate is 99.7%. Over here is the only dumpster we have on site. It's a 6-yard dumpster that gets empty once per week. This brings us to the end of our tour. We hope you enjoyed learning how our wholesome snacks are made with the highest standards of quality, safety, and sustainability. From our family to yours, let's change the world one grain at a time.